This is going to be a quick video to show you how to strip down a Z3 instrument cluster. This is actually the instrument cluster from an M Roadster, but with a Z3 front. This front piece is from a normal Z3. The actual insides is from an M Roadster. The first thing we do is we remove the 5 screws. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So we remove those and we can take the front off the instrument cluster. Okay, so we've now got the front off the instrument cluster. We can put that to one side. We're not going to be looking at that. We're going to be looking at this. What I'm going to try and do is take this circuit board out of its casing. To do this, you need a Dremel or similar tool and a fine bit. And these in here, in this area, are plastic welds. In the factory, there'll be probes that stick up through, and there'll be a heat machine that goes down and presses them to turn them into some sort of rivet, much like a pop rivet. It's a plastic rivet. So you use the Dremel and go around and cut back the plastic rivet, and you can release this. Similarly, you can release this. So now we're down to this stage. You'll also find there's some more plastic rivets here. There's one here. There's one here. There's another one here. And there's another one here. And a final one here. So we do that with the Dremel. We break all those, grind down below the surface. Careful not to cut into the circuit board. And you also have to deal with this. So there's 3 on here. There's one here, one here, and one here. So again, you have to do the same thing with the Dremel. Cut back. Now comes the really tricky bit. This is now held in by the clips on the connectors. So these 3 connectors are now holding the back of the case on with clips. To release these clips, you have to use probes to get in and lever the clips away. Any tools that you would normally use for picking locks or anything like that are suitable for doing this. Best to start with this one because this will give you the greatest leverage. So you lever this one away. And you can get quite a gap in there. Then stick a tool in so it stays away, and then you can work on the next one. Work across, finally release the last one, and it will come away. You're then stuck with the problem of having this still inside, and it's held on with a pin. There's a little pin just there. That pin is quite a tight fit on that hole, so you have to lever and lever, twist, lever, twist, lever, twist, and eventually it'll come free. So now I've levered away the tangs on these 3 clips. I can remove the back of the casing. This now reveals the back of the cluster.